Okay, so here we have some portable wireless microphones from Banggood. I think this is a brand called Recordio, but I'm not sure because it's all in Chinese, as you can see. But let's unbox these microphones and then later on in the video also try them out and see how good they are. So here is the box itself first. Not much to say because it's in Chinese. Here we have some instructions on how to use them. And here we have a USB-C cable. Oh, nice. A USB type A cable in this end. And two USB type C in this end. Interesting. And here we have a 3.5mm headphone microphone cable. Nice. And here is one more because this is for iPhones and this is for Android phones, is my guess. What this is, I am not sure about yet. Here we have some wind puff protection for the microphones. Nice. Puff protection is always good to have. And here we have the microphones itself. A receiver and a transmitter. And they should be wireless. That's what's in the box. Feels very plastic, but in a good way, because that means that they are quite light to carry. So on this side we have a lot of different buttons. We have power, we have set for the right mode, volume up and down. Here we have a USB type C port to charge it, and at the top we have a microphone and aux in and a microphone in, so you can use your own microphone and connect it to this if you want. Nice. And the transmitter has a power button, as you can see. It has a USB type C port for charging, and at the top you have a headphone jack so you can listen to the sound while recording. That's good. And you also have an out so you can connect it, the transmitter, to another device. That's nice. So that was the unboxing. Now we will try them out to see how good they are. So here they are now. I have mounted a wind protector on the microphone. And here we have the transmitter, as you can see. And to be using this with an iPhone, you need to use this cable, the one with 3 dots, as you can see there, and an adapter that you get from Apple, as you can see, 3.5mm to Lightning. That is what you need to use this microphone with an iPhone. If you have an Android phone or a camera, then you can use this cable instead with only 2 dots, as you can see. 2 lines, stripes. And you should use this with 3 stripes if you have an iPhone. So after that, it's just to connect the transmitter like so from audio out, and then to be using it on an iPhone, you just connect it as normally with lightning in the bottom of the phone like so. After that, you should turn it on power. Like so. And after that, you need to turn the microphone on too, like so, and wait for it to be connected. As you can see now, it's connected. Oops, you have blue and green on both, so now you know that both are connected. After that, you start a camera app, for example Filmic Pro that I use, like this, and you be sure that it says external there. Here we have a problem. The transmitter has already been broken for me. This is very plastic and quite bad build quality, so this clip is broken already for me, so I can't use that as good as I want. And you have it hanging here, so that is not a good option for me. You need to use it on a tripod or something that you can have this better mounted on or something. Sadly so. But for example, you can put it like this on your iPhone eventually if the clip would do. But it's useless, as you can see. The clip is terrible. So the build quality on this is not as good as I would like to. But now, let's say we have it mounted here on a tripod or something. You can also hold it in your hand or something. Now you have the microphone. And as you can see now, when I'm talking into the microphone, it's quite high in volume. But when I put it on my t-shirt here, it's a bit better. But you can, in Filmic Pro for example, lower the volume like so, or you can, on the side of the microphone, you can lower the volume like so. So now when talking, it's have a better volume on the microphone, as you can see. So now when I put this on my t-shirt like this, you see that the volume is quite good. So now I can actually start recording this by just hitting record in Filmic Pro. And as you can see now, I am recording a video with this wireless microphone. So now I will do the sound from this microphone instead of my normal studio microphone, so you can hear the quality of this. So now I'm sitting with the camera, my iPhone 13 Pro Max, connected to the transmitter, and I have a microphone on my t-shirt. totally wirelessly, and I can of course have this a bit from me, of course, can have it quite far from me without any problems. I can still transmit the audio to the Filmic Pro app while recording this. That's really awesome, and it's totally wirelessly, and I think the quality of the audio is quite good. Don't you think so? So I'm quite happy actually with the sound quality of this. It's just too bad that the build quality of this is totally terrible, and I need to solve the problem with mounting this on the iPhone while recording somehow. But that is another problem. But as you can hear, the sound quality is quite good. So I think that's it of this video. You can find links down below in the description text where you can buy this microphone. It's from Banggood, and as you can see, it was a quite good sound quality of it, even if the build quality is not the best. Fortunately, the clip works quite good on the microphone itself. I have no problem with that. It's still holding the microphone quite strong. If that would also be broken, then it will be very hard to use this professionally, sadly so. But okay, that's it. Bye.